Hello folks, how you doing? It's December the 4th and today we're opening door number 4 of the Galaxy calendar and door number 4 of the postcode lottery. This is not sponsored by Galaxy or the postcode lottery. Special guest today, Alfie off has had a day off, so he's asked his friend to come in and fill in for him. So today we have got Ratty McHattie. Ratty McHattie is going to help me out. Opening number 4 and postcode lottery number 4. So Ratty McHattie stays there and guards everything. Right, here we go. Door number 4, what could it be? What could it be? What could it be? It is, stay. Door number 4 is, I haven't got a clue. I know it's a chocolate, but don't know. Christmas pudding, I think. Thank you very much. Nice. Anyway, right, door number 4 of the postcode lottery. Right, door number 4, it says 7,489 young people across London benefited from coaching provided by the Greenhouse Sports. So this means to me that we have just saved 7,489 young people across London with Greenhouse Sports, and we got 7,489 young people who ain't going to get fat anymore because they're out there doing some sports, not sitting on their backsides playing Xbox or PlayStation or on their phones. They're getting a bit fitter. So we won't have 7,489 fat kids. Thank you very much. Like I said, I say it how it is. So does Ratty McHattie. Right, anyway, thanks for watching, and you've just been watching the 4K Eyebrow. Thanks. Ratty, cheers.